Resolving a PayPal account limitation can be a frustrating experience, but it is often a necessary step to ensure the security of your account and prevent any potential fraudulent activity. To begin, it is essential to understand why your account may have been limited in the first place. PayPal typically limits accounts due to suspicious activity, such as a sudden increase in transactions or login attempts from unfamiliar locations. The first step to resolving the limitation is to log into your PayPal account and review the notification that explains the reason for the limitation. This notification will also provide instructions on how to resolve the issue. In most cases, you will be required to verify your account information, which includes your name, address, and phone number. To verify your account, you will need to provide PayPal with identification documents, such as a driver's license or passport, and proof of address, such as a utility bill or bank statement. You can upload these documents directly to the PayPal website or mail them to the address provided. Make sure the documents are clear and legible, as this will help to expedite the verification process. In addition to verifying your account information, you may also be required to confirm your credit or debit card information. This is a security measure to ensure that the card is valid and belongs to you. To confirm your card, you will need to enter the card verification value, which is typically a 3 or 4-digit code located on the back of the card. Once you have verified your account information and confirmed your credit or debit card, you can submit a request to lift the limitation. This can be done by clicking on the Resolve Limitation button on the PayPal website. You will then need to wait for PayPal to review your request and verify the information you have provided. It is essential to note that resolving a PayPal account limitation can take several days. So it is crucial to be patient and not attempt to try to bypass the limitation. Attempting to bypass the limitation can result in further restrictions or even account closure. By following these steps and providing the required information, you can resolve the limitation and regain access to your PayPal account. It is also important to take steps to prevent your account from being limited in the future. This can be done by regularly monitoring your account activity, keeping your account information up to date, and being cautious when logging into your account from unfamiliar locations. By taking these precautions, you can help to ensure the security of your account and avoid any potential limitations.